Hey friends, welcome back to the Oklahoma Metro Living Show. I'm Melissa Branson with Metro First Realty Group, and it's getting cold outside and the market needs more homes for sale. Now, I hear it all the time. I want to wait until spring when buyers are out and about and the flowers are beautiful. Well, I hear you, but I want to share a few ways you can make buyers fall for your home this season because, as I mentioned, we need the inventory. Plus, the holidays evoke the most cozy atmosphere and it just feels like home, which could be a huge bonus if you're thinking of selling before we kick off a new year. So fill up your coffee cup and join me in what I like to call a sneak peek into the life of a realtor. All right, number one, take advantage of the holiday scents. Fall is the season with some of the best scents, and getting that perfect scent in your home can be tricky, and we want to make sure that you avoid just spraying Febreze everywhere because that just feels like you're trying to cover something up. So instead of the outdated room sprays, invest in some fall or Christmas scented candles or plug-ins. Bath & Body Works usually has the best scents that leave your house smelling delicious and usually has some great deals too. Now, another great way to create that inviting holiday scent is to bake chocolate chip cookies. This will never go out of style, especially when you leave them out for the buyers. You want to get a little more creative? Mix up a batch of homemade potpourri on the stove with cinnamon, cloves, and orange peels. Now, don't mix too many scents or it can become overwhelming and even give people a headache. Now, whether it's your house guests or your buyers, you don't want them leaving early. Number two, stick with warm, cozy vibes. For fall accents, stick with the variety of pumpkins. White, orange, and green look great together. A bowl of red apples or gourds and a vase of fall florals or wheatgrass, they look great too. For Christmas, you can still put up your Christmas tree, but keep that winter wonderland to a minimum. Think subtle holiday decor like red accents and a faux fur throw draped over the couch with some textured throw pillows. Number three, paint a picture of what it's like to live there. Now, this truly applies to any time of the year, but it's important to find that balance between lived in and we live here. Remove the personal items such as the gallery wall of family photos, the giant photo of your wedding day from the mantle, sports trophies, and those wedding invites stuck to the fridge. But you still want to make sure that your home looks inviting, not vacant. So keep a few books on the coffee table, leave that throw draped over the arm of the chair, and the candle burning in the kitchen and the fireplace going if you can. Show the buyers what their lifestyle would look like if they lived there. Now there you have it, 3 ways to make buyers fall in love with your home this season. Now if you want to chat more about what it looks like to work with me and get all the details on what you can expect as my client, let's meet up for coffee. We can chat about your goals and how I can help you reach them without going through a stressful process. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next episode.